Hey everyone, it's Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to get the audio from your Nintendo Switch over onto your PC computer. So let's go ahead, jump the video right now. So this is actually relatively easy. In this video, I'm going to be using an auxiliary cable which has two male ends on it that will plug into your Nintendo Switch and then your computer. So it looks just like this. And I'm going to take my Nintendo Switch and then I'm going to locate the headphone jack on the top here. And then plug one of the ends from the auxiliary cable in, right here. Then I'm going to place it back in the dock. Now, with the other end, I'm going to place this into my computer's microphone jack. So, I have one right on the front. It's located next to the headphone, but we want to put it into the microphone jack. So, let's put it in right here. Boom. Now it's connected to my PC. But there's one thing that we have to do with the audio settings on our PC so we can actually hear the audio. So with everything connected now, let's go to the Windows button right here and select this, and then go to Settings. Now go to System, and go to Sound. Then on the right hand side, let's go over to Sound Control Panel. Now with this opened up, let's go over to the Recording tab. And then we have to go ahead and find our Nintendo Switch that's plugged in. And if you go ahead and open up a game that has some audio on it, you should be able to hear or see this little icon over here go up and down. So you can see my Blue Yeti is going up and down when I speak. So right here, I scrolled up and I can see this icon is going up and down. And I have Fortnite opened up in the background, which has some audio that plays when you're just at the home screen. So now go ahead and select this microphone, right click on it, go to Properties. Now go over to the Listen tab, and then go to Listen to this device. Then go to Apply, and you should be able to hear something come through your speakers now. Now, there is one big problem with your Nintendo Switch's audio. You're going to notice it buzzes a lot. And one way to eliminate this is by using a ground loop noise isolator. It'll look like this. And what this will do is eliminate the hissing, the buzzing, and all the interference from the ground loops that's happening with your Nintendo Switch. So if you don't get this, it's going to be very buzzy and you really won't be able to hear the audio. But this is relatively inexpensive, so look for a ground loop noise isolator just on Amazon. You can just plug your Nintendo Switch's audio jack into this and then feed this into your computer. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.